All right, class. Welcome back to Microsoft Office Word 2016. This time we're in Unit 2 and we're in Word Module 2. So Unit 2, Word Module 2 will cover, let's see, I think there's only one project to do this time. So let me get in there. Yes, so Word Module 2 only has one project. So we'll go ahead and get that loaded up. Takes a little bit to get going here. Start the project. All right. Open it up. All right. Down just a little bit. All right. Looks like this time we are doing, let's see, a letter. Get the instructions out. All right, so Word 2016, Unit 2, Module 2 is preparing a research paper. All right. Transportation Technology Report. Self-driving cars. Go Tesla. Okay. Again, File. Save as. Documents. And we're changing this one to number 2. So this is, right, last time, Module 1, Project 1, Module 1, Project 2. This is now Module 2, Project 1. All right, the first thing we need to do, your paper is about driving self cars and must follow MLA format. Change the citation and bibliography style of the document to MLA. So where is that? Layout. I forget. References. There it is. Style, MLA. MLA 7th edition. So we're changing the style to MLA from APA under references. Apply, capitalize each word case to the paragraph future transportation technology. This one, all the way through self-driving cars. And we are going to do, what does it say? Capitalize each word. Where's that at? Drop cat. Oh. It's not drop cat. I think it, whoops. Highlight that. It's in here. Capitalize each word. Future transportation technology, self-driving cars. All right. Insert a header to meet MLA standards as follows. So to insert a header, you can go to insert and you can do header, footer, whatever. You can also double click at the top. From the top of page number gallery, insert a plain number 3. So page number, top of page, plain number 3. Header to all pages in the document. Okay, without moving your insertion point, type Cooper, and then press the space bar. So now it's Cooper, page 1, Cooper, page 2. Close the header and footer. You can just do that right there. You can also just click off, double click off, whatever. So you see it's lighter text for a header. Find the word machine and replace all instances of the word with the word computer, right? So find and replace. You can do Control F. That doesn't do it like that. So we'll go up here. Find. Oh no, that's what we want to replace. So we're going to find the word machine. And we're going to replace that with computer. Let's go through replace all incidences of machine with the word computer. We're going to replace all. It says we made 4, and the instruction says we should have found 4. All right. Now, step number 5 says create a first line indent of 0.5 inches to indent the first lines of all body paragraphs beginning with "in California." All right, so line indent. Oh, I guess is this all one paragraph? Let's see. And ending with vehicle owners. Begins in California and Nevada, and ending with vehicle owners enjoy the benefits. Don't. All right, all vehicle owners. So all of it, right? So we can just highlight it all. And this should be increase indent. That's the whole paragraph. We don't want to do that. So we could go layout, I think. Paragraph layout. We're going to do an indent of 1/2 inch, but we only want to do the first line. Oh, not this one. Just change first line to 1/2 inch. See the picture down there? Said okay. And that did all of those, right? Just like a normal paragraph. Okay, move the second body paragraph beginning with a self-driving car so that it becomes the new first paragraph. So we can cut this. You can do right click, cut. You can go up to home and you can click cut, or you can just do Control X and put it here and do Control V. So now it's self-driving car and then in California. Cool, cool. That was number 6. Number 7, find a paragraph beginning 3 technologies are required, right here. Move the insertion point before the colon and insert citation. So before the colon, and insert a citation. It's under references. Insert a citation. From a new source. And it says, oh, I gotta close this because I can't move up my instructions. So it gives you all the information in the instructions, what to put in here. So add new source. Type of source, article in a periodical. Article in a periodical. The author is Pullen, comma, John. Title, driverless cars. And remember to keep track of your spelling, punctuation, and capitalization, because that is the biggest place where people get things wrong, because it's very specific. Magazine. Here's 115. Month is 24, 35 to 39, and print media. and click OK. I put in Poland. If you right click it, you can edit it. No. Edit. Click the down button. Edit citation. You want to add the page number 37. So now it says Poland 37. All right. How are we doing so far? Poland 37. That's good. All right. Number 8. No, number 9. Create a numbered list from the paragraphs beginning global positioning system, high definition, and ending with 2 systems. So these, go back to home, numbered list. Anything specific? No, you can just click that button. So 1, 2, 3. You can just click it. If you need something different, you can go through there. Oops, and clicked it back. All right, numbered list for 3 technologies. Third major advantage. Third major advantage. Read the comment. Just click the comment, read it, and reply. Reply, guess click that. Oops. Thanks, comma. This looks great. Thanks, this looks great. All right. In the same paragraph, move the insertion point before the period. The idea behind platooning. So before the period, insert a citation based on table 2. So references, insert citation from a news source, journal article, author, Wu, Karen, look, ma, no hands, exclamation. Science, so see right there, that would have caused an error. Science news, 107, 162 to 175, and print. Click OK. We got Woo in there. For some reason, we're not changing, I guess. No, it just has Woo, doesn't have page number. All right, so now we're on to number 11. Let's see, no, number 12. Let's see. In the paragraph beginning, the substantial benefits. Respond to the comment as follows. So substantial benefit is down here. Click the comment again, respond, and respond. Oh, it just says read the comment, then delete it. Read the comment. No, we don't want to do that. I forgot. It's not in here. Review. Delete. Delete. There we go. Delete the comment. Yeah, I'm a little bit slow sometimes too. Change the text 50,000 to 100,000. Move the insertion point before the period in the sentence you modified in the previous step. The cost of new technology. The cost before the period. And insert a citation to the existing source. References, insert citation to this. Fragment Daniel. Put that in there. Let me double check, make sure we're in the right place. Nope, not the right place. Undo. So it's this period after owners. No, after consumption. Yeah, fuel consumption. No, that one's already there. Not in the right place. Owners, yeah, after owners. So insert citation here. There. And then add the page number probably. Yep, edit it. And add the page number of 9. Good. Insert bibliography as follows. All right. Move insertion point to the end of the document. Insert bibliography. Where are we at here? And then insert a bibliography, insert a page break. Okay. So insert page break. And then insert works cited from the bibliography directory. Insert in here, works cited in there. So these are all the ones we used. Notice that they're all in alphabetical order and they are indented if they're more than one line. This is MLA format. That was from bibliography. Okay. Edit the source, the Fagnet source, so that the name of the web page is reads. Okay, so now we need to manage sources. And click on this one, click on edit. And we want to change it to preparing for a nation of autonomous vehicles. Preparing for a nation of autonomous vehicles. Okay. Close. We go down here, it should say click here. Oh, no, click here. Sorry. Right there. Update citation. So now it says preparing for a nation of autonomous vehicles. Right? Okay. What's next? Number 17. No, that's what we just did. Number 18. Format works cited heading as follows. Format this. We are going to apply the normal style to heading, which is home normal. Apply center. Now it says select the entire document and format as follows. So Control A will select everything. Change it to 12 point. and change it to double space. Double space. Now number 20 says, go back to the beginning of the document, insert a comment here, and it should say, please review the format of the document. Please review the format of the period. And then review, check spelling and grammar. Incidents, change, done. And then now we can review it with everything that we have. Your document should look like the example. Double space, we got a comment there, show comments. So we got a comment there. Brock Miller, this is good, indent in California, then 3 technologies, then working together, then the main potential, the gains, the third comment for platooning with a response, substantial benefits, and no longer, and that all finishes on Cooper page 3. And then the works cited page, works cited in the middle, Cooper page 4, Center for Disease Control, Fagnet, Green, Pullen, Whoop. So everything looks good. Go back home, save it, and then we will submit it and see how we did. Open up our grade report. And we missed some. So now what do? You're gonna go down there and fix what you got wrong. If you're happy with 93, feel free to keep 93, but if you get 100, why not? So the first thing we need to do is apparently instruction number 11 says in the same break, move the insertion point before the period in the sentence, the idea begin platooning. So let me look at the instructions again. And woo, number 11. So let's look at what we did. This is our document, right? Yeah. Where's woo at? Right here. Third major advantage. Third major advantage. Magnet woo. According to Science and News. So apparently, oops, slow down. We're gonna move that to here. I messed that up. Fix that. All right, because number 11 said, wherever number 11 is, in the same paragraph, move the insertion point before the period in the sentence, the idea of platooning. Yeah, the idea. So not before this paragraph, but at the end of the paragraph. Move the insertion point before the period in the sentence. So I just read that wrong, but that should be good there. All right, what's our other one say? So that should fix that one. And then works cited heading should be formatted using normal style. I didn't like what we did. We must have made a change somewhere. Where are we at? Works cited. Let's click on it and go back to normal. All right, now it's not going to like all the rest. So let's redo number 18. So works cited, center, works cited and center. So I don't know what happened there, but when we applied, we selected the entire doc. Somehow that got changed, I guess. Okay, let's see what we get. Save it and close this one. And let's upload it again. So to upload it again, you have to close out of the project you were already in, go back into it, the actual project within the shell, right? You have to close out of that, go back into the project to resubmit it. Kind of like you were starting over, but you just have to upload the file. So once that loads up, start over, re-upload the file, open, submit, view reports, and we now have, so we messed up something else now, see? And that happens a lot. When you make one change, then you end up screwing something else up, right? Right, so we did that. Obviously, we had already done that, but let's try to fix it real quick since we have the time. So go back in here, do this, Control A, change it to 12 points. Oops, 12 points. And double spacing. But I think the problem is then it comes down here. Oh, this is still good. All right, so I guess it didn't get messed up. Control Home, save it. Is that the only thing we missed? All the text in the document should be 12 point. All the text in the document should be formatted using double spacing. Was there anything else? And that's what our 5 points are missing right there. So submit it for one last time. And then we have to get whatever grade we get this time. Right? So just move this over here, show you what I'm doing. Going back into the project. And start over, upload, submit, view report, look at the report, and we got 100 out of 100. So that's how you go in, you make your corrections, and you get a better grade. That should help you guys out. This takes care of all of week 2 of this class, unit number 2, Word modules 1 and 2, and all 3 projects that are assigned as homework for this week. If you have any questions, make sure you get in contact with me, email me, text me, whatever you need to do, and we will go from there. All right, guys, thanks, and we will see you next week with Word Module 3 and 4. Take care.